like what we see here? Pollution, global warming, loss of biodiversity, and many others that has an adverse effect on our health and our ecosystem. This has been the consequence as we advance in the future and reach for a globalized world.
Pollution. Pollution of the air, water, and soil, which are caused by toxins such as plastics, heavy metals, nitrates, gases released by factories, combustions of fossil fuels, acid rain, oil spill, and industrial waste.
The causes of air pollution comes from smoking cigarettes to burning fossil fuels to driving cars and releasing toxic smoke from factories can cause severe health and environmental problems.
We can help lessen the ever-increasing air pollution by reducing the usage of any electrical devices. In addition, we can also limit the use of private cars and vehicles and for opting for public transport system. Little by little, step by step, we can see the difference.
Global warming. The emission of greenhouse gases due to human activity causes global warming, which in turn causes an increase in temperature that then leads to rise sea levels, melting of polar ice caps, flash floods, and desertification.
Life on Earth is in danger. Practically all environmental problems are caused by human activities. The global community must become more sustainable. Otherwise, we will devastate our environment and ultimately ourselves.
Sustainable development is the response to the world of growing social, political, and environmental problems. It means making the world a better place without destroying possibilities for next generations. If you wonder something is sustainable, you can ask yourself, can we do this over and over again forever?
We need to keep three things in mind: social progress, economic development, and climate and environment. And when is sustainability achieved? Through economic goals, social responsibility, and environmental protection.
The idea of environmentally sustainable economic growth is not new. Many cultures recognize the need for the harmony between the environment, society, and economy. The environmentally sustainable economic growth is the synonym to the prevalent concept of sustainable development.
The essence of this development is the stable relationship between human activities and the natural world, which does not diminish the prospects of the future generations and enjoy a quality of life as good as our own.
Many of these problems are inevitable by now, but there is hope. The situation is dire, but not hopeless. Humanity today is in possession of knowledge and wealth that was unimaginable just a few decades ago.
For the first time in history, we thoroughly understand how the world works and have the means to fix the problems we cause.
If we act fast, we can still prevent the worst forms of environmental decay and prevent enormous suffering.
Sustainable development balances the meeting of our needs without jeopardizing the future generations' ability to do the same. Indeed, globalization greatly helps humanity. But on the other side, it endangers the environment and all things on Earth. So we must act now and reduce its negative effects.